Okay. So first tell me now whether the concept of prime number is clear or not. Whether you first find the factors, rather first find the number of factors and then you check whether the number of factors of that number is 2 or not. If it is 2, you will print prime, else it is not a prime number. When you check for, let's say, just a minute. Um,
Sir, Abhay is asking about that AI project.
अभी तो हम लोग को नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया है, वेट करो. मे बी they said after 5th they will respond, so we are waiting. I had applied. Whatever we will get, we'll let you know. Okay, right. So हमने देखा था अभी तक कि यू नो हाउ टू प्रिंट द प्राइम नंबर्स एंड लेट्स से उसके बाद क्वेश्चन था प्रिंटिंग प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 to 500 मान लेते हैं, including both. So what we did was we generated a loop. Okay, we generated a loop. So that was for I in range 1 to 500. So 501 देंगे, we'll give, and then here we will write the program for checking if each I is prime or not. I is prime or not. और इसका कंसेप्ट हमने देखा था. द कोड विल बी, जल्दी से लिख देता हूं, फॉर आई इन रेंज 1 to 501, every time the number that you want to check whether prime or not will be I. Now how will you check? First you will count the number of factors of each I, that is each number. So for that counter you take initially as 0, that is I don't know how many factors are there. Then you will start a loop. I you have already taken, so we'll take another name for the identifier of for. For j in range, we will generate a list of numbers between 1 to that number which we want to check as prime, in which case every time the number will be a different type. The first time we will check whether 1 to whatever that number is, rather 1 num plus 1, whatever that number is, each time j will become one number between 1 to that number. Okay, and you will check if num mod j is equals to 0, that means for that number you have got a factor, so you will increase c by 1, and finally out of j loop you will have the total count of the factors of num, that means one particular I in one round, and therefore you will write if c is equals to 2, print that particular I or print that particular num.
Sir, you can say without num is equal to I also we can write the program, no, sir?
Yeah. So what we can do is to make it better. See, यहाँ पे num equals to I करके and then you are writing num. So why not directly use I here? Okay, why to create one extra variable with num and all? So that also can be done, in which case you can skip this line. You can change this to I and you can change this to I. ठीक है? And even you can change this to I. ये प्रोग्राम क्लियर है सबको कि how we are taking each time one I and then checking whether that I is prime or not by counting the factors of I. And every time we get a number of factors of I as 2, we will print that I only. In that way, from 1 to 500, we will be checking each I, that is each number, for being prime or not. In the same question, if there is a question that you have to ask for 5 different user inputs or different numbers, and then you have to print each of those numbers given by users which are prime or not, then in that case what we will do, then we will have to write that this line num is equals to int input, and then we will be giving num each time. ठीक है? उस केस में because I is not your number is what user will give. Therefore in that case this line and then num will be important. Is it clear? ये prime numbers के program checking how I works, how J works. J is for counting the number of factors of each I. Okay. क्या आगे बढ़े इससे? Shall we see the new program?
Clear है sir, clear है.
Clear है. Okay. Rolvin, you had doubt last time. I hope it is clear because you were having some doubt in J. Why? How is it going from 1 every time it will take 500 or 10 something you had?
Clear, sir. I got it.
You got it now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, chalo, फिर we'll move to next. Okay. Next program क्या था? One final program that we saw was, I forgot the question. A positive negative कुछ करके था ना? What was
No,
it?
sir, before that, sum of all prime factors of a number.
Sum of all
Prime factors of a number.
अच्छा वो भी करेंगे. First let us see that question. What was it? जरा याद दिला दो मुझे कोई.
Write a program to enter an integer number and print its table if positive.
अच्छा, print its table if positive. It's
Factors of absolute value if negative.
okay.
And
Okay.
factorial of another number if
If it
zero.
is zero. Write a program to accept one. अंकित शायद तुमने भेजा था. You had sent me the question. बस उसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम था. We will correct it. Write a program to accept one number, or rather integer, from user and print the table if it is positive. The factors of absolute value, factors of absolute value if negative, and what was the third case?
Factorial of another number. Sir.
Okay. Factorial of another number. Another number. Mute कर लो
Sir, somebody's mic is on.
Mute your microphones. Factorial of another number. Factorial of another number if 0. ठीक है? So what we have to do? If sorry,
Sir,
first
first
we will
print the table.
wait. First we will accept the number.
Yes, sir.
Num is equals to int input enter an integer number. Okay. Now it is just like printing positive, negative, and zero. Structure will be the same like that. If you have to check if the number is positive, then print positive. If number is negative, then print negative. If number is zero, then print zero. The structure will be same like that. So what we will do is we'll write if
I in range.
Q. There is only one number. There is only one number. You have to determine whether first it is positive or negative or zero. And inside the block, we will write for and all depending on what we have to do.
So we
Just-
should write it 3 times, sir, for.
Just let me write the structure once, then you can clear your doubts. Okay, एक बार देख लो समझ में आ जाएगा what I am saying. So the whatever the action we are going to perform is based on whether our number is positive, whether our number is negative, or whether our number is zero. On the basis of that, you are going to perform action. That means if the number is positive, do the action which you have to do if it is positive. Negative है तो negative वाला action करो, and if it is zero, then do the action which is required for zero. So what we will do is, if number is greater than zero, then what is it? Print the table. So here, print inside it, print table of num. Okay. If number is less than zero, then you will convert
absolute value first.
Absolute value कैसे करेंगे? num को multiply कर देंगे -1 से. अगर negative है तो you will multiply it by -1, you will of an integer, then you will multiply it by -1, you will get the absolute value of that number, and then number will change to the positive value. ये step समझ में आया? And then
We'll find factors.
Find factors of num. Just a minute. Factors of जो num positive हो गया है, because to the number you multiplied by -1 and then you put it back in the variable referred to as number itself. So then it will become positive. Factors of num. Okay. Else, I'm writing the block here because.
Sir, can't we find factors for negative integers?
I'm not sure. मेरा मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं है, तुम बताओ. Have you ever found the factors of -5 or -20 or -10? I don't remember. इसलिए मैंने वैसा नहीं दिया, केस चेंज कर दिया. You can ask your maths teacher. शीजा मैम से पूछना. Okay. And in another case, ask.
Okay, sir.
For a new number and find its factorial. ये स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आया अंकित? You had doubt. So first, on the basis of that, you will take one action. Then on the basis of being negative, you will take another action. And if it is zero in else case, then in the body of else, you will do the third action.
I had done first for, sir, then.
Why for? For क्यों करोगे? For will be there when repetition is required, but main task is not repetition here. Depending on whether if it is positive or negative or zero, you have to perform those actions.
Okay, sir.
Now you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I had told you that day for should be inside if and not the other ways that you are doing. Okay. Now we will see the solution. अच्छा ये पहले बताओ ये स्ट्रक्चर कि पहले अगर नंबर पॉजिटिव है तो यू विल प्रिंट अ टेबल. इफ इट इज नेगेटिव देन यू विल फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द पॉजिटिव नंबर और पॉजिटिव मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दैट नंबर, that is by multiplying -1. Else you will ask for a new number and its factorial. This structuring, how you will solve the approach, is it clear? सारे लोग बताओ मुझे.
Yes, sir.
भरत.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and others?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Pooja, Nanika.
Understood.
Okay. Ruchika is there, not today?
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
in the,
Okay.
sir, in the comment line, what have you written after factorial of?
Where? Factorial of
Absolute value.
अच्छा थोड़ा स्पेस हो गया है. Factorial of another. Of another number. Okay. Right. So we will see its program. So I'll write the program. First, we will ask for a number. Dekho, the best way to learn programming is practice every day 1 or 2 programs. And if you will master this for loop now, you will conquer the language. Input, enter an integer number. Okay. थोड़ा मेरे हैंडराइटिंग से बियर विथ में थोड़ा क्या करूं ऐसा ही लिखता हूं.
Sir, what is a spotlighted video?
Spotlighted means if you spotlight any person, you will only be seeing the video footage of that person. तुम्हारा वो किसी point पे, that means your focus will be that person only throughout your session. और भी
Sir,
और
all
किसी video नहीं.
So we cannot pin any other person, sir.
No, at one time you can, I guess you can spotlight only one person.
Sir, we need to find factors of prime factors, sir.
Factors only, prime factors वाला दूसरा question था.
Okay.
Okay. You can do that as well, but यहाँ पे question was not that. Okay, right. So now we will check if num is greater than 0, you have to print table of num. How will you print table of num? So table of any number का क्या program था?
For I in range 1 to 11.
Inside it, for I range 1 to 11. And then you will print
num into I.
Correct. Good. ये हो गया तुम्हारा. If it is greater than 0, then you will do this, print the number. Else, elif, that means there are 3 cases, no more than 2 cases. So num greater, या तो 0 हो, positive होगा, या negative होगा, या 0. So elif will also come. If elif num is less than 0, if it is negative में क्या था? First you have to make num as positive. Just a minute. Num is num multiplied by -1. Okay. Right. And then you will find the factors. Factors के लिए क्या करना है? For I in range.
Sir, I itself
or j?
So we can use the same thing, sir.
Same. Why? Either this will run
First
or this
block
will
won't be executed.
अगर ये execute कर रहा है for loop ना, तो ये वाला नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि it won't go at the 2 bodies at the same time. Either the number will be negative or the positive. समझे? तो ये for I वाला loop one ही time run करेगा, so I will be created only once. Is it clear? Okay.
Sir, for num equals to 0.
Num equals to, अरे wait, वहां पे मैं गया कहाँ हूँ? Okay, अभी तो negative check कर रहे हैं. Negative case में we are printing the factors. तो factors कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? Between 1 to that number.
Num plus 1.
Num plus 1 we will give you.
1.
Yeah. And then if num is divisible by I, then you will write
print I.
That print I. Good. Else, that is your case when the number is 0. What you will do?
Factorial. We'll take input.
You will ask for a new number. Okay. else num is equals to int input enter a new positive integer okay, and then once the user has given a new value in num, you will print its factorial. Factorial कैसे निकालते हैं? F is equals to 1. Product of all the numbers from 1 to that number is the factorial. For I in range 1 to that number.
Sir, one more bracket.
Okay, sorry.
Input.
Num plus 1. Then you will write F is equals to F multiplied by
Num.
I, not num. And then after the for loop, you will print F. ठीक है? So देखो, this program is not tough. What you have done is, you have mixed 4 programs in one single program. क्या 4 program है? There were 4 programs which are mixed together. What are those 4 programs? बता सकते हो?
Table program.
First is outermost
structure. Outermost structure is one program.
That is positive, negative और zero वाला program है. Then you have second program which deals with
Tables.
table of a number. Okay. Third program is
Absolute value.
Factors.
factors. No, in fact, correct. He is correct.
5.
Another 5 program. Absolute value. Very good. Absolute value of an integer.
So for the absolute value, can you use num is equal to minus num?
That also will work.
Okay.
Okay. Absolute value of an integer. Fourth is factors of a number. And finally, fifth program is factorial of a number. Factorial of a number. So see, this program is not tough. You just have to keep your concentration, finalize the layout, in what order should you work. ठीक है? बस एक बार structuring कर लो before writing the program कि okay, in this block, in the block of for I will do this activity, in the block of if elif I'll do this activity, just like previous. देखो यहाँ मैंने structuring किया पहले कि depending on positive activity, depending on negative I'll do negative a number, I'll do this activity, and finally I'll do this activity. So you make this structuring and then you write the program. तुम्हारा sequence एकदम सही आएगा. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you go to the previous
Excuse me,
page?
sir. Sir, what is the need for asking another number in else?
अरे zero का factorial हरदम 1 होता है. So every time you will have to print 1. Factorial तब निकालोगे क्यों? That's why I changed the question a bit. Because else में when you are going, the only possibility is that the number will be 0. और मैं बोल देता कि else find the factorial, तो always the answer will be 1, because else will always, number will always be 0 in else case. Okay, that's why to make it a bit more, I changed कि if the number happens to be 0, ask another positive integer and print its factorial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
नहीं तो else में हरदम 0 का ही factorial निकालोगे, and that will always be 1. Okay, ठीक. Yeah, previous page.
Sir, what did you tell for this? Means you told some word, means keep this ready, like
Structure, layout in the mind before
Okay.
writing the program. So
Sure,
इस तरह का अगर structuring it. देखो, this is not a technical word. I'm just saying in the back of the mind you should have a very clear cut concept कि which idea will be placed where. Okay, and then you can start creating the program.
Sir?
Yeah.
So can we like run pre-written programs in a program?
You copy paste कर सकते हो. You may have to adjust a bit the alignment inside the block, leaving some spaces before the lines. Yes, why not?
Without copy pasting, can we do it, sir? Like yeah, without copy pasting.
That means another program is existing and you want to use that piece of program in your current program.
Yes, sir.
Well, you are. I won't say you are
Sir, we
walking,
have to
running. You are
modify it a
galloping.
bit.
We will
Sir,
learn
we
about
will.
in. क्या हो गया, Kevin? Oh, Arpit?
No, sir, we will have to modify it a bit, then we can use.
No. No modification is required. What he is asking is a very, very wonderful concept. We will learn about those concepts in class 12. ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि 11th में ही खत्म कर दो तुम लोगों का वो चीज. There is a concept known as functions and packages. When you learn those two concepts, now you will be able to use another program in some another program without rewriting even a single word. That we will be learning. That is in your course.
Without copy paste, sir?
Without copy pasting. That is known as linking of programs.
Linking.
Linking using packages. Packages and modules का concept आएगा. You will see in standard 12 it is a part of the syllabus. So functions, packages and modules, when you learn, you will be able to link another program with another program. Okay.
Sir, could you go to the next page, please?
Right. I hope now you will be a bit more comfortable with for loop, using if inside for inside if, for inside for inside if inside for. ये सब चीज depending on situation, define the structure and do the necessary activity or take the necessary step. Okay. Fine. Shall we see the next question? What was that? Prime factors of a number.
Prime factor.
Good. थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम के साथ फाइट किया करो. Don't give up in one attempt. अच्छा नहीं बना. Then again go back and try to formulate the structure like this, presenting your idea, which block will be containing what, like that. फिर से try करो. तो हो सकता है एक दो attempt में बन जाए. The moment you will solve on your own, तो confidence बहुत बढ़ता है. Okay. Anyways, we'll solve the next question. Write a program to print the prime factors of a number.
Sir, actually it is sum of prime factors.
चलो पहले प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल लेते हैं, फिर सम तो निकाल लोगे. काउंटर लेना पड़ेगा बस. Okay. Prime factors of a number. Okay. Right. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? First you will accept a number from the user and that will be integer, क्योंकि फैक्टर्स वगैरह है तो इंटीजर का ही बात करेंगे. Enter an integer number. Then अब देखो स्ट्रक्चरिंग कैसा होगा इसका. You will check.
Sir, we write for, if, and again
Counter
for.
will check, sir.
Correct. वो जो सही बोल रहा था इलाम, उसी टाइप का स्ट्रक्चरिंग होगा. We will see. So what we will do is पहले निकालना है उस फैक्टर्स को. For each factor you will have to check whether it is prime or not. Okay. So first पहले factor निकालेंगे, then only each factor you can check whether it is prime or not. So first you will write, after accepting the number, you will check how do you find. Let's say कि the question would have been to find the factors of a number. तो factors का कैसे लिखेंगे program? Factors will be between 1 to that number itself. So we will generate all the numbers from 1 to that number in I. So I in range. 1 2 num plus 1, and we will check each I if it divides. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Can you give me a minute? Something important is there. सॉरी वो तुम लोगों का एरोडेक्स वाला कुछ है ना, उसके लिए भी आज से क्लास, आई विल टेक वन डेमो क्लास मे बी टुडे. ओके
Sir, this is better, sir.
Okay, उस पे later we will discuss. We are trying to integrate Google Meet with for online classes there. That's what is going on. Okay, so yeah, correct. We will be generating numbers from 1 to number, and we'll checking each I whether that I divides the number or not. Okay, so we'll see. Factors के केस में ऐसे करते हैं हम लोग, right? So we'll write num mod I. Sorry, if लिखा ही नहीं मैंने. Just a minute. Num mod I is equals to 0. What you will do is, अब देखो, if I divides num completely, then that definitely that I is a factor. Correct? That I will be factor for sure. In that case, what you will do? You will check that whether that I is prime or not.
Prime or not.
What you have to check? I, because I happens to be a factor if it matches this case. So here, you will check whether I is prime or not. Check I is prime or not. I is prime or not. ठीक है? तो इसका resultant program क्या हो जाएगा? I'll just write side by side. So, considering I'm writing from this for loop statement. Num part, let's say you have accepted. For I in a range 1, 2 and num plus 1, you will write if num mod I happens to be 0, that means that I is the factor. If I is the factor, you will only print that I if that I happens to be prime. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे प्राइम निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? I के फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे, and we will check whether that I is having two factors or not. अब हम लोगों को I का फिर से factor निकालना है. So what you will do is you will take a counter. P is equals to 0. We will write for J in, we are finding the factors of I, and if the factors of I will be equals to 2, then we will print that I inside the block of this, ये part में. J in range 1 to I plus 1, because all the factors of I will lie between 1 to I plus 1, or that is 1 to I, including both. And then if every J, if whichever J divides I, that will be the factor of I. Okay, is 0. Then that means that J is the factor of I. We will increase the counter by 1. Okay. After all the rounds of J, that means all the numbers have been checked between 1 to I, whether it is factor or not. We will get the total count of factors of I. The moment we will get the total count of factors of I, we will check if if C is equals to 2, we will print that I. Okay. ये चीज देखो, जो इंटायर ये ब्रैकेट में लिखा था ना व्हाइट वाला, दैट इज दिस पोर्शन. Okay. कुछ नहीं किया है यहाँ पे. See the logic. First you have to find all the factors of numbers entered. For all the numbers, for all the factors, what all can be the factors? All the factors will range between 1 to that number itself. So every time we are checking by taking one number at a time in I, whether that I divides or whether that number between 1 to that number divides that number itself. If it is the case, that means that particular number ranging between 1 to num, which is contained in I, is factor or not. If is prime or not. So if we have got a factor which is I, we will check whether that I is prime or not. If it is prime, we will display it. So once we have got one particular I which is a factor, we will find the number of factors of that factor. ठीक है. और अगर उस factors के number of factors 2 होंगे, if that number of factors of the factor of the number will be 2, that means that factor is prime factor. ये जो layout है, जो हमने लिखा है, ये बताओ समझ में आया या नहीं? All of you. See, you will have to sit with programs. मेरा step समझ के you will have to open the system and then you will have to think on your own and then write and then match with my solution. Yes, tell me.
Sir, here if it was to find a sum, then after if C is equal to, we write S plus equal to I.
Sum of all the prime factors.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तुम try करना. मैंने यहाँ तक बता दिया है ना. Try for sum of prime factors.
It's only after if C is equal to S plus equal to I.
Wait. Can you do something? At which point you are confirmed that number is prime? That factor.
At last point. Last if.
Here, only in this if you are sure that that factor is prime.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will do is, we will take, in that case, on the top, S is equals to 0. And here, the place where you are sure that number is prime, you will write S is equals to S plus I. समझ में आया? जिस पॉइंट पे तुम्हें श्योर हो गए कि वो प्राइम फैक्टर है, at that point only you will accumulate the value in some particular counter ना. यहां तक तुम जब यहां आओगे तभी ना पता रहेगा कि तुम्हें कि वो I प्राइम है. And in which case,
yes,
you outside में एक 0 लिए हो तो हर प्राइम फैक्टर उस S में ऐड होते जाएगा. So last value of after all the rounds of I, finally यहाँ पे बाहर में प्रिंट कर लोगे S, that will give you the sum of all the factors, all the prime factors. ठीक है? So I will delete, I will erase that. You try it at your home again.
Sir, I had some doubts with the indentation of the prime factors of a number.
बताओ.
Sir, I'm trying to execute it. It's coming inconsistent use of tabs and spaces in indentation.
All the lines for one particular block may not be aligned.
Sir, 1 minute.
ओके ये अच्छा, उसको एग्जीक्यूशन को बाद में देखना, उसके लिए तो मैं बाद में भी हेल्प कर दूंगा. पहले ये बताओ कंसेप्ट समझ में आया है कि नहीं?
Yes sir, concept is clear.
Concept is clear. Now at times what happens na in Notepad and Notepad++, if you copy the same program again, rewrite the same program again in another file, तो it will execute. या नहीं तो तुमने भी कहीं पे स्पेस ज्यादा या कम दे दिया होगा. ओके, तो कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर एवरीवन. देखो, एग्जीक्यूशन कैन बी डन. वो तो सिस्टम पे बैठोगे एंड यू विल एग्जीक्यूट. ओके, he has sent me something.
Sir, the program, sir.
Okay, program, let us see. Okay, this is the last topic for discussion today. I'll just call it off in 2 minutes. What is the program? Let me see. Okay. So he is writing, taking a number. If num mod I is equals to 0, that means you are checking whether that number is prime, is a factor or not. So yes, if it is a factor, you are starting a counter by 0 for x in range 1 to I plus 1. If I mod x is equals to 0, c plus equals to 1. It seems to be correct to me. क्या हो रहा है? Output, what is it coming?
Sir, 5th line it is showing an error, inconsistent use of tabs, spaces. For x in range, that line.
Did you put space and then reach there, or did you put tab and then reach there?
Sir, I think tab. I'll check, sir.
हाँ, उसके कारण कभी कभी दिक्कत होगा. वो tab is different as space. If you give to one tab, it will be 4 spaces, but that is not equivalent to pressing 4 space bars at one time. ठीक है, चलो. If it is a problem, let me know. I'll write the same program and will send it to you. तुम लोग भी इसे लिखने का try करो. It's good to get stuck. Till the time you get stuck and you correct it yourself, the concept cannot be grasped that well. Okay. ठीक है, I'll stop here. You have other classes as well. Try it out. We have solved enough questions of for. I'll send you questions as well. एक program try कर लेना to find out whether the number, find out the HCF and LCM. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay. चलो.
Thank you, sir.
We'll stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And Ullas, let me know if you are able to work out with that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I